Hey, all, Bryden, Homes by the Foot, and Remax Central Real Estate. Time for a quick October market update. It is as forecast. Things have slowed down. And the largest part is because we are heading into the Christmas season. This is historically the slowest part of the year, and everybody's focusing on Black Friday sales, Cyber Monday sales, and then Christmas. So things have slowed down quite a bit because of that. But also, the interest rates have had some impact, actually a great deal of impact, but not necessarily in the area that you would expect. Sales, especially in the detached sector, are 29% lower than what they were at this time last year. Last year in October, things really started to pick up, leading into the craziness we had this spring. So that in itself is not a surprise. The prices below 500,000 have been still going quite well, but there's a lack of listings. So it hasn't made up for the sales above that. Matter of fact, things are still moving above 700,000. But right now, things as far as sales have slowed down. As of October, though, prices have eased by 4%. That's it. Other markets are seeing far more drastic price reductions. And I think this is just the natural price reduction of A, the season, and B, the interest rate hikes. This is considered relatively small adjustment when considering price movements in other large cities, as I just mentioned. It's interesting to note that we are 29% less in sales than October of last year, but the prices still remain 10% higher. And I don't think that's going to change going into the spring. This from the chief economist, Anne-Marie Lurie. Calgary hasn't seen the same degree of pullback in housing sales like other parts of Canada, thanks to persistently strong demand for our higher density product. So the multifamily is booming right now, as you can imagine, because unfortunately people who are looking at their move-up home are having to go into some multifamily product for their first start. Again, from Anne-Marie, while our city is not immune to the impact that inflation higher rates are having, strong employment growth, positive migration flows, and a stronger commodity market are helping offset some of that impact. We got more people moving in than moving out again, and this is back to what we're generally used to. So this spring, I think things are going to start taking off again. Not to the same degree they were this year. Nobody hopes for that. But I think we will start seeing some modest gains in prices and upticks in sales. That's it. That's all for October. It's a good time to sell because there's not much on the market. So you've got very little competition. And it's a good time to buy because there's not a lot of buyers out there either. So you want to do either of the above, get a hold of me. Contact information all over this email. We will talk to you soon.